Hey folks, medical hypnotherapist Roger Moore here. The library rises, endless in its hall, shelves of work, shelves of call. Every book a task, a page, a breath. Not a weight of pressure, not a depth of death. You walk between the rows with ease. Air is steady. Mind finds peace. No need to carry them all at once. One book chosen, one task at once. The shelves hold safe what waits for you. Tomorrow's pages, tomorrow's view. No rush, no fear, no burden to bear. Abundance means you're trusted, cared. Step by step, the path is clear. Every exhale releases fear. Focus is power, calm and bright. Read one word and it feels right. The task in your hands is not too great. You open the book and find your state. A page is finished, the cover closed. You place it back. The progress shows. Some books are not yours, and that is fine. You set them aside, you draw the line. No guilt remains. The weight is gone. Your chest expands, your breath is strong. Work becomes rhythm, not a chain. Celebration grows, dissolving strain. Abundance is proof of value deep, a gift to treasure, a joy to keep. Thoughts align in ordered rows like chapters neat. The clarity flows. One thought at a time. One breath, one pace, overwhelmed phase, replaced by grace. The shelves stretch wide and do not bind. You celebrate the wealth of mind. Every book is trust in you. Proof of skill in all you do. Should old whispers call too much too fast, you walk again. The storm is past. The aisles widen, calm returns. Focus glows. The clarity burns. Muscles soften. Shoulders release. Your steps are steady. Your heart is peace. The library shines, its silence sings. Abundance feels like golden wings. You smile because the truth is near. Abundance is love, not fear. One page, one step, one breath, one way. Progress made in calm each day. The library is yours to claim. Endless shelves, yet none a chain. You walk, you breathe, you understand. Abundance is a gift in hand. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression.